Hello viewer, in our Laravel application, this is our Laravel application. So go to your Laravel application. So when you hit the wrong URL, so this is our 404 URL. So when hit the 404 URL or wrong type, any type wrong URL, so regularly bot comes to this type URL. So bot struggle with the wrong URL to hack or check or vulnerability issue. So vulnerability, so lot of poor URL they hate, so reset the user account of a Laravel application. So they put this user reset, also they put this type of user ID, also put this type of ID. So this type URL they hit. So this type of URL hit, so it would automatically show you what type of, this is the security validation. So when you reload the page, automatically change. So again, so automatically change the challenge. So change challenge is changing. So you have to put the number. So a hand has 5 fingers. So how many finger do 4 hand have? Maybe 20. When you hit the verify URL, yes, pass. So now now actual URL show in the bot. So bot never put the actual value in this. The bot never pass the validation as well. You have to put as a manually as a human need to put the number. So here also, when the pass this human validation, then showing the 404 URL. This is our 404 URL. So another validation we have also already added here. When a bot or any other human hit this type of URL, three URL hit this type of wrong URL, automatically blocked from our automatically block this IP. So when you hit this IP, this is our application 404. So like put a different number and again hit, again show you 404, again change it, so hit, so you will automatically blocked. So when you now try to visit the website, so now application, when you hit, it's automatically blocked. So if you have chance 3 times, so if any bot as a were regularly hit several types of bot attacked, so we have implemented this system to bot attack or human attack or any type of hacker attack, automatically blocked him or this type of hit application. So we never need this type of hit or a server to. That's why we automatically, our server automatically first, and bot automatically detected our application. So bot we do not need the bot user, we need the human user. So that's why we implemented this system. So this system we have this system make our server more faster than before. Thank you, best of luck.